Start off by applying a cool tone brown shade all over the lid. Add dark purple or burgundy to darken up the color. Apply gunmetal silver shimmer. Pack it on. Apply a bit of brown and silver on the bottom lash line. Darken up the crease with a cool tone brown. Use a pressed glitter on top. This one has a green sheen and red sparkles. Line the eyes. Blend the eyeliner out with a brush. Apply foundation. Conceal under the eyes and anywhere else you need more coverage. Apply dew concealer under the eyes if you have dry skin. Slightly powder down the face. Bronze up the skin. Apply cool tone paint blush. Fill in the brows. Gel the brows down. Apply dewy highlighter. Line and fill in your lips with a nude color. Curl lashes and apply mascara. Use a lot of mascara to get more of a spidery lash look.